Hello, good morning. And for today's video, ito po yung outfit natin for today. And this is our suite room in Norwegian. Ayan po yung room natin. So, casual tayo ngayon at ready na tayo umakyat sa taas. Alright? Para kumain. So, ang daming pagkain, non-stop. Daming buffet, ang daming stations. Aside from that, dun sa package namin, you can go to the fine dining restaurant. Okay? So, magbibihis ka lang. You can use the suit at